to be someone else.
You gotta light it up, gotta burn